Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro. Today we are diving deep into the Sony Xperia 2, Sony's latest flagship smartphone that is turning heads in 2025. If you're looking for a premium phone with a perfect balance of performance, camera, and design, this video is just for you. Starting with the design, the Xperia 2 features a sleek and modern look with a slim metallic frame and high-quality glass finish. It feels premium in the hand and is perfect for those who love a stylish yet durable phone. Moving on to the display, the Xperia 2 offers a stunning AMOLED screen with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth touch response. Whether you are watching videos, gaming, or browsing, the visual experience is exceptional. Now let's talk about the camera. The Xperia 2 really stands out here. With its triple lens setup, including wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, you can capture crystal clear photos even in low light conditions. The camera app is smooth, and features like night mode, portrait mode, and AI enhancements make photography effortless. When it comes to performance, the Xperia 2 is powered by a fast processor with plenty of RAM, making multitasking and gaming a breeze. Apps open quickly, and high-end games run smoothly without lag. Battery life is impressive too, with a long-lasting battery and fast charging support, so you can spend more time using your phone and less time charging it. In short, the Sony Xperia 2 is a flagship phone that delivers excellent performance, a stunning display, and one of the best cameras in 2025. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest smartphone reviews and unboxings. Sony Xperia 2 #mobile review #Tech Unbox Pro #camera test #gaming phone #smartphone 2025